Hi everyone. Today we are doing the CSR Care Kitchen activity with a big support from the TCA Food Work team.
And it's been a pleasure to work together with Team Panasonic on this CSR project where they are cooking chicken teriyaki, rice gyoza, and also the potato salad for the children's home.
The theme of this event is From the Community to the Community. Today we are preparing the more than 200 lunchbox. Then later we are delivering to the orphanage house.
Looking at the children, you know how much pain they are going through in their life, and I'm happy to be a part of this special occasion to prepare the food from Panasonic team for the children.
Contribution to society is one of our business policy, and I'm so happy here that we can actually contribute in another way than the usual businesses.
This morning I realized one thing. Every human being, we are looking for happiness. But the true happiness is once we share our happiness with other people.
Thanks to the organizing committee and also all the volunteers who participate this event. Without your presence, this event wouldn't be so happening.
I really hope that we can do something in Malaysia, and I hope that the children will be happy today.
From the community to the